Welcome back to How To Tools. Sorry about that. This is a very simple yet very, very dangerous tool. It's called a hand saw or a circular saw, whatever you want to call it. It's great for cutting across the grain. Basically, if you want to cut something, you cut it with this. It's great for ripping plywood, great for cutting 2x4s, 2x6s, any wood you can name. It's great for cutting, except for stuff that's like really tiny. That I would use a miter, just use a handsaw at that point. It's perfect, you know. I'll show you all the parts of this. One, you have the blade. Blade is very sharp. Do not put your fingers by the blade. Another part is this is the guard right here. If you're gonna start something like on a piece of wood, do that and just move it down. That's a great technique. You can put this hand here to help drive. This hand pushes. This hand I would like to use just to make sure it's staying straight. To get it started, there's these buttons on the side that you can press. I like to push with my thumb. Some people like to do this and do it like that, where it's like your pointer finger's pushing down and this finger's. I don't. I like to do thumb, pointer fingers on the trigger. You can change the angle with this right here. You can change the depth with this and moving it down. It's a very, very simple tool. Again, very dangerous. Now, what you want to do with this is you either want to find a ledge or you want to use sawhorses. Right now I'm just going to use a ledge because I don't want to walk over to the sawhorses, something like that. And I'll just show you how to use it. So, if y'all move down here. I'm just going to take this piece of wood here. Boom. And make sure that it is straight on. See how easily that cut? And look, that is perfectly straight. It's a great tool for what it does. It's a great tool for anything that you need, really. It cuts. I've said this before, I'm saying it again. It's the everything tool. If you need a piece cut, use that. I mean, only thing I wouldn't use is an angle. If you need like the most specific angle, at that point use a miter saw or mark it out with a speed square, and then really make sure you're staying on that line. It may take some practice though. So again, pretty easy tool. That's How To Tools. Thank you.